Is that a Mustang? Well, I need to go to here really quick, Jacob. Sorry. Oh, no way. What is this? Corvette. Jacob, Corvette. Hear that clacking, bro. You hear that clack? Cause I hear that clack. We are back at the Bick Apart. I said the Bick Apart. The Bick Apart. I like that name actually. Jacob is actually building an S10 with his bro, and we saw there was an S10 that popped up in this lot. It was a 1988 red S10, and yours is what year?
85.
While I'm here, I might as well just go see if they have any Mustang parts or anything like that, which I'm pretty sure they don't, but it's always a treat coming out here. But I just thought you guys might enjoy just kind of seeing this landscape of random cars. Hey, Danny! Look at these bad motherfuckers right here. Is that a Mustang? Well, I need to go to here really quick, Jacob. Sorry. It's the Stang. Yeah. Oh, is this the trunk mat? Please tell me this is the fucking trunk mat. I need one of these. This is it. I don't know what the fuck this is. Is this for the headliner? Fuck, no, this is for the convertible. Assholes.
Dude, it smells like shit up in here.
Actually, I'm gonna take that. No button.
No button?
It's a different type of shifter. If the button was here, I was definitely gonna pick that up, but this is an older model. It has the leather seats. The convertible's actually in good shape, to be honest with you. Let's just really quick, I just want to check what's in here.
What fucking motor is this? Is it your motor?
Is it a V6? I'll look at there in a minute. Probably should be doing this with gloves, but no. I'm a little disappointed I didn't have the trunk mat. Oh, the visor. Fuck, someone took the visor. Everyone takes shit that I need. The horn is gone, and I'm glad I don't need a horn anymore. No, this is, I think the 4.0 model, I think.
Like, what kind of fucking valve cover is that, dude?
I believe this comes out of the Ford Explorers, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is mine though. I have one of these. Damn, I don't think there's really anything on this car that I could take. Oh, fender liner clips I might need. Taillights, the worst taillights you can get for this car in my opinion.
Yeah, look at that. They drained the fucking fluid in an old bottle. At least they did that.
Oh, I see the seats are under there as well.
Is this it? Right, are your fucking hands
Actually, oh my god, it might be, but it looks destroyed.
It looks really dirty.
It does. I might need that piece though. This is exactly what mine looks like. It's literally this shit. No one's gonna want that. Unfortunately, I think this is a bust for me.
Did I hear blackjack?
Blackjack?
And that's a bust. There you go.
Mustangs, for those of you guys that like the new gen Mustangs. There you go. Is that a Thunderbird?
Chickens, right?
Yeah, Manny's I think is supercharged.
Hey, look at this.
Damn, they have a lot of.
Oh, big body.
If you find a pink car,
This is the dunk right here.
damn, it makes me sad when I see these older cars back here, bro. It really does. Dude, I saw one of these when I was in Connecticut.
These are hard,
The
bro.
wagon, dude.
We gotta include it in the video.
I have, dude. Joe would love that.
Dominican Republic. How would you rip it?
Good point.
Why the fuck? No.
He might not want it anymore. He might not want it.
Look at the
No,
wheel though. It's got a steering wheel.
dude. I really hate seeing wagons in the yard, bro. It does make me sad. Doors actually open and close nice.
Hey.
The sunroof in the back, dude, hard. Can we talk about this right here though? What is this? Corvette. Jacob, Corvette. No way.
Yo, do you realize how bad this is right here?
This makes me sad walking over here. But there's another wagon right here too. We'll get to that car. I know it's somewhere in this area.
So I don't know how the TPI motors look for these.
It's actually a good starter.
If these are the same as the IROCs, because I really just know about IROCs. But if I'm not mistaken, it's either a 383 or a TPI. I'm not a fucking Corvette pro, so don't be on my dick about this shit. Yeah, well, all the
kind of wheel
closest
is that?
pieces are gone.
Ew.
Look at that one, dude. You're saying gross to that one, but look at that one.
That's a spare. Whoa, this guy got fucked.
67 Chevy Corvair.
Imagine the person who owns this car and they see this in the yard and
Dude,
they're
the
like,
body on
fucking
this is
god.
straight. Somebody needs these doors and all these body panels. Look at the gas cap right here. It's right here.
This is
mid-engine?
could be.
Somebody out here would build this motherfucking thing that lives in like Connecticut or something.
These belong at Monster Jam. This is definitely. Oh, it is, man.
Holy shit, it is. God, we're too young for this. That's fucking sick. Wait,
That-
no, is this actually?
That looks new. Looks like someone was working on it.
That's
at
a new
one point.
carburetor. What brand is that?
I'm curious if...
Hey, it's a GM. It's a GM General Motors carb. That's an OEM carb.
Is that the exhaust right there? That fat thing? Yeah. Oh no, it's right here. I'm stupid. Okay.
Oh, God, I can see it from here. Wow, what the fuck is that?
Harry Potter car. This is the way to treat just walking in and looking at shit.
I just love looking at junk, to be honest. I feel like
Just boys being boys, bro. And some girls, What is this? Cadillac?
I think this is a content.
The only reason I ask is because I see the cap up here is a Cadillac cap.
Is it really? I don't know. This kind of looks like a Continental. Let's see. Does it have suicide doors?
Why would someone pull this out and not want it
it's a
anymore?
Continental, dude. Look at this shit.
Gentle.
That's hard.
Is that rat shit in there? I would not be surprised. Just think about when this car was new at one point. Sometimes you might be able to find good wheels in some of these cars, so keep a keen eye out. PT gang. Is that a limo? Limo. Sick, okay. Damn, someone put that into work.
God, bro. Somebody had a day here.
Fuck, no shit.
What are the odds about?
Wait, this is what I need, actually, since we're here.
Oh, okay. I broke my elbow, and I'm more than likely positive I broke 2 ribs because it was really bad.
That's cool.
Here, this is a Joe wheel right here. 13-inch fucking
It's
rim
all
like
bent.
that. Oh, yeah.
This was the Mustang I took the horn off of.
Really?
Yeah. Someone took the shifter out of it, unless that was me just throwing it back. Damn, someone really wanted that shit off. Holy shit.
Just thinking that.
Fuck, dude.
Crazy how I'm like learning parts.
You kind of just learn as you go. Guess who took that part too? Anyway.
Taco Bell over here?
Bro, you craving that right now.
Bro, fucking Taco Bell's fire, and that shit is cheap. I love chicken tenders.
Whoa, someone left the throttle body in here.
Oh my God, those who are watching, I love chicken tenders. I need y'all to drop a comment. Just drop a chicken emoji if you like them chicken tenders, no matter what.
There's a spider web in here. I just put my face in. Someone took the visors that were up here last time.
Hey, we were talking about you the other day, me and Joe.
Well, I bet you were. I live rent free in your head. Oh, no way. Put this to the side right now. I'm not probably going to get this, but that is a thought.
Hey, it was either a girl that was driving this or homie had his girl shit up in there because I know that lotion.
Yeah, and they were drinking too. Drinking and driving, bro. They got in trouble. Damn, someone got fucked up right here. You think, oh, that's what I needed? How bad is this? Oh, fuck. It's in bad shape. That button's actually kind of cool, Jacob. Mine doesn't have this button.
What is that?
There's like a Mustang on there. Mine might have that, but like this one actually looks like a Mustang.
Fuck, dude, the Taco Bell's on the way. What button?
Right here. I actually kind of like that a little bit.
Take that.
The picture on it's actually kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Oh shit, falling forward.
Everyone's like, yeah, I have that on my car.
This goes to show that it's okay to let your brake line hang from your car. It won't break. I'm looking at it right here. It didn't do anything. Oh, the fenders are all over the place with this car. The badge is here too. Oh, I'm sorry. I get distracted really quick. Wait. I got my nuts caught on the fence.
This is nuts ball.
Nuts balls? Dude, this is sick. Was this a Jimmy?
I don't know.
Possible thing we expected. The phone was here. Is this the same motor?
Whole different motor. The brakes. Got a little steps to it.
You hit your head on every vehicle, bro.
Dude, I'm just tall. We saw it on track.
Shit, fucking smacked me back in the face. You want gloves?
Nah.
Dirty motherfucker.
Those 10 boys are just out here, man. Bitch don't even got a dome light. I think it just pulled
Ooh, someone took the taillights out. They even cut the harness. I just don't understand why it's so dirty here. Who does this to a rim, bro? Learn how to drive, man. Come on now. Look at this cute little thing. Aw. Has like rhino liner or something on it. Be free advertisement that you pick apart. Plenty of Fords out here, no surprise. Get in there.
So, shoot, I thought it was in your back.
Slam my shit again.
Yeah, Taco Bell's on the way back.
You're about to hear fucking rolling thunder right now. Let me just start the thing up for you. But to kind of give you guys a rundown of what we're doing, Jacob and I are going to the drag races.
Sweating our asses off.
Ooh, I got a little-
Or you want it down?
Oh shit. So you said you're hungry. What do you want?
Taco Bell. We found where we're eating at. If you know, you know, bitches. Ooh. It's kind of sick though. Utah plates. Cheyenne K5 Blazer.
That's a Honda, bro. Big one, bro.
That is a big ass Maverick.
Big one.
They got 3 motherfucking pumps. 2 for the
I don't even need gas, and I want to get gas with that. Focus. There you go. Jet in the sky.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah. That's America, bro. One of the perks about living out in Vegas is that we have a racetrack that's also right next to the air base. So we get to see air shows all the time while watching drifting or drag racing.
Okay, this is clean.
Hard. So when you have a free burrito on your account, you got to get the most expensive one. Chorizo's okay. I've tried that. Don't get that. Sausage is not bad. Bacon's okay, but this one you get a lot out of it. This one you get ham though. I don't know what the fucking ham.
Look at this fat motherfucker right here. I got this for free.
You did?
I don't know. I just scanned it and said, "Would you like to use your Maverick Punch It reward?"
So you and me both, Brad. You and me both. We got free meals today.
Shit, I forgot my motherfucking fork. I got distracted by the Cholula.
Jesus. Official, unofficial review, the Moab burrito at your favorite Mavi. I don't take a bite yet because I got to give it a video of you. Take a bite.
All right.
Little pissed already.
Huh?
It's all egg. There you go. We just grubbed down on some fire ass Maverick. Now it's time to go see some
15,000 horsepower beast go down the track.
Yep, I know where it's at now. We're gonna go past the other cross guards.
Got it.
We're gonna keep going all the way down.
Thank you. There'll be a sign, I assume?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. See, she already knew. She knew we were VIP. Just look at the car we're driving. Of course she knew that.
Pull up. Is this VIP?
Excuse me, VIP driving by. Thank you. Sorry. Move out of the way. VIP.
The VIP's coming through. VIP coming through.
Gotta slow it down a bit. They got it.
Look at the IROC.
Look at the White Widow. There's a Mustang right there.
Look at the IROC.
Another Mustang. Fuck the IROC. I'm just kidding.
Back it up, back it up.
Back it up, back it up, back it up. I'm surprised he didn't wave us down saying we were VIP. He should have known that. Just slide it there. Just, it doesn't matter if it's not that. Just, yeah. They know we're VIP. Trying to buy a TV stand? It's on the house, bro. It's on the house.
Look at this mess you got here.
You know, most of this mess is from you.
No, that's my one tool bag right there. That's all I got back here. This is your bullshit.
And then you made me keep it in the car.
It literally says Logan TV mount.
No, it doesn't. Whoa, whoa. No way. That shit is sick. I know my car is way faster than this, but damn, this thing is awesome. He's dealing with the same shit, bro. I feel you, bro. I feel you. If you want to be happy in life, you go get yourself a car that sounds really good. That's all I gotta say. Don't get yourself a Honda. Don't get yourself a Mustang. Go get yourself one of these things. These retirement funds that are on 4 wheels.
On your motor.
You'll be really happy. Like, trust me. Even though I'm not a fan of this body style, let me tell you, I see slicks in the back. I know how to have lots of fun. Hear that clacking, bro. You hear that clack? Because I hear that clack. Yeah, he whipping it. It's not track day, bro. It's not track day. Homie is cooking. Thank you. I gotta stop coming to these events because whenever I do, I want to put more money into my car than I should. Dude, low key, it's like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna go sell everything and go buy one of these things. And I realize, like, no, that's not a smart idea to do right now. Don't push me out of the way. He can get out of the way.
You're fucking walking towards me, bro. You always do that shit.
No. He could get. He was turning into us, bro. I'm walking my lane. I love the color on it. Look at the battery terminals in the back. There's a candy apple red to it. Those seats would be comfortable on a long road trip.
Louisiana, really a West Coast guy. Down there for work. Down there.
do you describe that? I've never seen a car with 3 lugs before. That's actually crazy. That shit burns! Burns your eyes, oh my god. I feel like we just got fucking mace. I walked by thinking I was the shit. I'm like, you know, all these people closing their nose and shit and turning around. I walked through it and I went, fuck. You need to put those on, bro. You're fucking
I go to
crazy.
concerts all the time, boy. This ain't
Your
nothing.
ears are ringing, huh?
No. That's it for the vlog.
That's just how you're gonna end it. That's it.